So today our welcome back to our video, and today our uh, topic of our video is auto insurance basics. Basically, it is next part of our first lecture about insurance. Auto insurance basics. Auto insurance protect against financial loss in the event of an accident. It is a contract between the policy holder and the insurance company. The policyholder agrees to pay the premium and the insurance company agrees to pay losses as defined in the policy. Auto insurance provides property liability and medical coverage. Property coverage pays for damage to or theft of the car. Liability coverage pays for the policy holder's legal responsibility to others for bodily injury or property damage. Medical coverage pays for the cost of treating injuries, rehabilitations, and sometimes lost wages and funeral expenses. Most states require drivers to have auto liability insurance before they can legally drive a car. Liability insurance pays the other driver medical car repair and the cost when the policyholder is at fault in an auto accident. All states have law that sets the minimum amounts of insurance or other financial security drivers have to pay for the harm caused by their negligence behind the wheel. If an accident occurs, most auto policies are for 6 months to a year. A basic auto insurance policy is comprised of 6 different kinds of coverage, each of which is priced separately. Number one, bodily injury liability. This coverage applies to injuries that this policyholder and family members listed on the policy caused to someone else. These individuals are also covered when driving other people's car with permissions. A motorist in serious accident may be sued for a large amount. Drivers can opt to buy more than the starter required minimum to protect personal assets such as homes and savings. Medical payments or personal injury protection. This coverage pays for the treatment of injuries to the driver and passenger for the policyholder. Cars at its modest PIP can cover medical payments, lost wages, and the cost of replacing services normally performed by someone injured in an auto accident. It may also cover funeral cost. Property damage liability. This coverage pays for damage policyholder or someone driving the car with their permission. They cause to someone else's property. Usually this means damage to someone else's car, but it also includes damage to lamp posts, telephone poles, fencing, building, or other structures hit in an accident. Collision. This coverage pays for damage to the policyholder cars resulting from a collision with another car, an object, or as a result of flipping over. It also covers damage caused by potholes. Okay, collision coverage is generally solved with deductible of $250 to $1,000. The higher the deductible, the lower the premium. Even if policyholders are at fault for an accident, collision coverage will reimburse them for the cost of repairing of the car minus the deductible. If the policyholder is not at fault, the insurance company may try to recover the amount it paid from the other driver insurance company, a process known as subrogation. If the company is successful, policyholder will also be reimbursed for the deductible. Comprehensive. This coverage reimburses for loss due to theft or damage caused by something other than a collision with another car or object, such as fire, falling objects, missiles, explosion, earthquake, windstorms, hail, flood, vandalisms, and riots, or contact with animals such as birds or deer. Comprehensive insurance is usually sold with $100 to $300 deductibles through policyholder, though policyholders may opt for a higher deductible as a way of lowering their premium. Comprehensive insurance may also reimburse the policyholder if a windshield is cracked or shattered. Some companies often separate glass coverage with or without a deductible. States do not require the purchase of collision or comprehensive coverage, but lenders may insist borrowers or carry it until a car loan is paid off. It may also be a requirement of some dealerships if car is leased. Number 6. Uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage. Uninsured motorist coverage will reimburse the policyholder, a member of the family, or a designated driver if one of them is hit by an uninsured or a under hit and run driver. Underinsured motorist coverage comes into play when an at-fault driver has insufficient insurance to pay for the other driver's total loss. This coverage will also protect a policyholder who is hit while a pedestrian. Next is homeowner insurance basics. Homeowner insurance provides financial protection against disasters It is a package policy, which means that it covers both damage to property and liability or legal responsibility for any injuries and